Hello, this is Kimmy. I hope you guys are enjoying your 4-day weekend. These are the things you need to know for this week. Fake News Forum will be on Tuesday, February 20th from 1 to 3 in the Marion Theater. Another exciting event that we are having this week is Black History Celebration, which will be on February 21st on Wednesday from 12 to 1:30 in room G106. Come get free food, listen to music, and make new friends. Don't forget to check in with EOPS counselor Beverly Garcia to receive credit for these events. And don't forget to attend the whole time. I will see you there. Did I just hear workshops? There will be a Allen Hancock College Nursing Start Here workshop on Wednesday, February 21st from 5 to 6 p.m. in room 8103. Get information about the CNA, LVN, and RA program at Allen Hancock College. Learn about what they are and how to get in.
Hey guys, this is Edgar, and have you guys filled up your FAFSA or California DREAM Act application? Well, you're in luck because this Thursday, February 22nd at 2 to 3:30 in room 8403, we're going to be having a workshop for the FAFSA and DREAM Act.
Hi, my name is Deneen. We're having an awesome workshop coming up on the Lompoc campus on Thursday, February 22nd from 12 to 1 in Building 1, Room 202. It's called Turning Your Major into a Career. Super helpful for any student attending college classes. You should come.